Good morning, everybody. Morning. We're still in some gold longs. Just give me my money. That's how I'm feeling. Where my bread at? Pay me up. Just give me my money. Chat, how's everybody doing? Damn, we should take this GJ long. I'm so long on GJ, and I mean, we've like everything we're going to talk about today, it's basically the same thing that we've talked about for the last 4 days in trading. If you guys have been able to survive with your guys' accounts, if you guys have been able to at least keep the losses to a minimum, and if you guys have been able to put yourself in profit this week and last week, specifically this week, for the last 2 weeks, you've been consistent, you're doing great as a trader. It's been a rough market. Hasn't moved much, hasn't presented much opportunity. It's taken the most disciplined, it's taken the most sharpest traders. So if you're one of those who have survived throughout these last 2 weeks with the same account, pat yourself on the back, because I'm telling you, 60% of the people that traded this week blew their account. I promise you that. And maybe the people in the chat won't tell you that they did it, but I'm telling you, people blew their account last week, people blew their account this week. I know it for a fact. There was too many days in a row where we didn't do anything, where people lose their psychology and start trading like a maniac. I'm telling you, y'all, you guys know who I'm talking about. You guys are in the chat silent, but you guys know exactly who you guys are, and it's totally fine, right? It's been a brutal 2 weeks. Now, for those who have survived the last 2 weeks, specifically this week, whether it's just 1% profit, whether it's break even, you have done amazing. Well, the last, I don't remember how it was 3 weeks ago, but I know the last 2 weeks, specifically this week, was brutal market. It's just very little few times you have where it's actually moving, like with volatility. A lot of the times it's not even moving and it's just choppiness, and then so you come back the next day trying to like rinse and repeat or just forget about the previous setup, and you just can't. It's just been, yeah. Now, boys, we took some gold longs yesterday. I told you guys we'd held them all the way out to what? 55? Yeah, we were pretty close. 25.46. Yeah, we were pretty close at one point. I guess we were halfway there. Did you trade NAS, bro? No, I didn't end up trading the NAS. I did not. What I ended up doing, remember, we swung these gold longs, we sniped it at the bottom, and after that, we've just been here just hanging out, just trying to survive. All right, so when it comes down to what gold has, I mean, what GJ has done today, I mean, we clearly see that all we've done is slowly keep on rising, and that's back to resistance, right? Remember what I said when we slowly rise back to a resistance like this? It's not because I think that we need to bounce off of it, but I think it's because we need to break through it, especially with me looking at the higher time frame and understanding that this is a bullish trend. I mean, even if we lose taking a buy, it just has to be a valid buy, right? This is obviously too big of a stop loss, but even if we lose taking a buy, we put ourselves in the correct trade, and every time we see this type of setup, we want to do the same exact thing. Manage risk and give ourselves our best possible chance by getting a good entry. So realistically, the best entry would be when this is falling down or something like that, or if you're taking it from here, you'd have to have a really valid stop loss beneath price. Obviously, we're not going to execute a trade on GJ yet. We just got on, but see you soon. Love you. Leave it open. Oh, me too. See you soon. Your NGJ longs at 19600. That's amazing. 19600. Oh damn, boy. Caught it at the bottom of my trend line. I'm in some gold longs, boys. No stop loss to break even. Like, look at this, boys. I'm up $1,300. Well, our entry was all the way down here at 2506. To myself. All right, so coming up, boys, at 8:30 we have Canadian news and we have dollar news, two red folder news that should be able to push the market and really give us like a glimpse of where we're going to be at the end of the month. Basically the end of the month is today. Today's the last day before we have a monthly candlestick closure, before we have a weekly candlestick closure. Make sure on Fridays you're looking at the weekly candlestick, and specifically on the last Friday of the month you're looking at the monthly candlestick. So this is how the weekly candlestick is looking. Bullish, continuation, bullish. I expect this one to end bullish. That's the weekly on gold. When it comes to the monthly, I mean, it's a bullish candlestick. If anything, it's just expected to push even higher and close as bullish. That's my predictions. When it comes down to GJ's monthly looks like this, right? I don't know really what to get out of that. Ugh. I need a coffee. This is how the monthly looks. Honestly, if the next month were to open, I'd imagine this wick filling it to the downside, but then again, we are in a wedge, so this is just, I don't know, very confusing looking at it from the monthly and the weekly. All right, so gold's hourly opened up at 7 o'clock, basically 20 minutes in. It looked like we were going to start, coming back down towards this level of support. Twice we've rejected from this resistance, and if this hourly actually starts engulfing this level of resistance here, that's clear bullish confirmation for people to be able to hop into buys. That is a bullish confirmation there. Right now, it's acting like it's giving a bullish confirmation, but we don't know for 100%. This 4-hour candlestick still has an hour and 37 minutes left in it. It's already bearish. You know, we got to ask ourselves, where is this 4-hour candlestick going to end in an hour and 30 minutes, right? Is it going to end up going bullish? Is it going to end bearish? And then from there, we could probably take a continuation trade of it. Regardless of me being inside of a trade right now, as you guys see, I'm up $1,400. We're basically at equity $100,000 break even on the dot. I am regardless still taking a trade with you guys today on this account, 1%. We're leaving this one running.
Life is an interesting journey. You never know where it'll take you. Peaks and valleys, twists and turns. You can get the surprise of your life. Sometimes on the way to where you're going, you might think, this is the worst time of my life. But you know what?
All right. Damn, you swinging in gold trade. Hell yeah. I told y'all. All right, this is yesterday's GU. How did yesterday's GU end up? Did we ever end up take profit? Not really. Never really fell too much. I don't know if GU is ready to go down anymore. All right, so what did the DXY end up looking like? So let's go to the 4-hour candlestick chart on the DXY. I mean, it still looks like it's on this little bullish rally there, or whatever you guys want to call that. This little bullish run. GBP, GJ. All right, chat. Now that we have more people joined in on the stream, like I said at the beginning of the stream when I opened it was, boys, if you guys have survived this week, specifically this week and last week with your guys' accounts, as in you guys' accounts is only down maybe 1 to 2%, or maybe you guys are at break even, or you're only in profit, like, you know, chum change, that is a big congratulations. You guys want to pat yourselves on the back. Round of applause, because the last 2 weeks have been very brutal for traders, especially people who, you know, tend to take trades every single day, like 90% of the traders. I mean, look, we're in the same spot we were in since Monday. You know, it's the same exact formation, so it takes like a good psychology to stay disciplined and actually, you know, react after, you know, because right now this is like one of those things where, all right, we realized on Monday, we were like, all right, if we take a trade here, it's either going to go up or down. All right, Tuesday came, it didn't go anywhere. We took a trade thinking it's going to go up or down. All right, didn't go anywhere. Wednesday came, and by that point, I was already disciplined enough to know, hey, I've seen this market structure before. We're most likely not going anywhere till the end of the week, till the end of the month, right? And therefore, I kept my discipline, you know, kind of on point, and I didn't start risking a whole bunch of money, and I didn't start getting caught out in these fake outs that it's having here, right? I didn't start selling when it went down. I didn't start buying when it went up, and because all this has just been barcoding. So I'm giving myself a better probability chance to actually catch it after the fact this moves or starts moving or gives us an actual confirmation. Maybe we need news. I have no idea, but it's been definitely a brutal 2 weeks for psychology-wise. Oh, I need coffee. Patience-wise, all that. All that. I know it's been brutal. How's everything, Arnold's? Are you in any trades? Have you been successful today or what? No way.
Immaculately polished with the spirit of a hustler and the swagger of a college kid. Allergic to the counterfeit, impartial to the politics, articulate, but still a grabber by the collar quick. Whoever having problems with their record sales, just holler tip. If that don't work and all else fails, then turn around and follow tip. I got love for the game, but hey, I'm not in love with all of it. Could do without the fame, and rappers nowadays are comedy. The hooting and the hollering back and forth.
You are not in any trade at the moment.
Know what you making, what kind of car you in. Seems as though you lost sight of what's important when depositing in checks into your bank account and you about to...
Not been good these last days. I know, brother. I know. I know without even knowing.
Ignoring all prior advice and forewarning, and we mighty full of ourselves all of a sudden, aren't we?
Honestly, I'm excited for this GU trade. I mean, for this gold trade, boys. All right, so check it. I mean, that could hold right there. What formation y'all see forming right here on my chart? Chat, anybody got an answer? Let's see who's the quickest to it. Xander, Arnold, Spadas, anybody? What is the candlestick formation that we are seeing right now? Ripple. It's so there is a little bit of a difference between an ascending triangle. Kind of is. Ascending triangles are reversal patterns for shorts, right? A reversal triangle, an ascending triangle would look more like I am tripping. I have no idea what I'm doing. Jesus. Hold up. I had a brain fart right now.
I'm done.
I think I found one.
I got myself here. Get myself out.
No, it's an ascending triangle, but which is a ripple fib. What I was thinking about is a wedge. Wedges are different from triangles. Regardless, yeah, we don't nobody. It's fine. Yeah, so we see an ascending. We see a wedge right here being formed. What am I saying? We see a fucking ripple being formed. Yeah, I definitely need coffee. Self-explanatory, boys. We see a freaking one level of resistance being held, but we see ascending levels of support being formed, right? They just keep getting tighter and tighter. Yes, there is a pattern where this is a reversal for shorts, where it just breaks through when we get the 90% rule. We start targeting these lows right here, break, retest, and then we fall. But I'm thinking that we're gonna go bullish based off of the weekly, based off of the monthly, based off of everything higher time frame wise, and the way price is moving right now. I could just see us, you know, accumulating ourselves within this little ripple for a while, and then having news hit, and then it just damn. I'm so determined to hit my take profit yesterday, boys. I'm pretty sure a lot of people didn't believe in this take profit yesterday. One, what's funny, we lost our trade yesterday, our first trade, and then we ended up just taking the same exact trade, and now look at us, made it all back. Caught gold a little too early. And then when it comes to GJ, dude, I'm about to just 1% snipe this thing right here as it is. 1% snipe it, and I don't know how big to put a stop loss, but dude, this is just gonna, like, I trust it.
Trying to get back. I gave the grip, I lost a flip of 5 stacks. Yeah, I'm talking 5,60 shot zeros. Here the back to running circles round. Now we squared up. Hold up. Life's a game, but it's not fair. I break the rules, so I don't care. So I keep doing my own thing.
Hello, hello, hello. What it do, brother? I'm gonna start erasing that from GJ. There's a bunch of bullshit on my screen on GJ. Damn, these candlesticks are tiny. That's 40 pips right there. That doesn't look like a bad trade. It's a lot of pips though. I'm trying to see where I get myself in a position on GJ Longs. I love GJ Longs. I mean, it's rallying. I think it's going to continue with the rally. I would not take any sells on GJ. Repeat, do not take sells on GJ. The engine has started on it. It has been pushing for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours in a row. If you taking a sell right now is just saying, hey, after 9 hours in a row of bullish, I think that right now, why didn't you think that after 4 hours? Why didn't you think that after 5 hours? Why didn't you think that after 6 hours? Why didn't you think that after 7 hours? If you did think it, you got clapped. It's rallying right now. There's no reason for us to be catching against its momentum. We should wait. If it actually starts going downwards, that's where you put your hands up, you watch it fall, and you wait to actually snipe it back up to where market structure is telling you it's going to go, which is bullish. Just because you know if it's going to go down doesn't mean you need to be in the trade. Now, when it comes down to this gold trade, boys, I should put stops to break even. I will once news hits. I mean, my break even is at 2506. I'm about, man, just a shit ton of pips away. Shit ton of pips away. Okay, Xander, what's your reasoning for taking the sell? One of your reasonings is that you're at a level of resistance. All right, what's your second reasoning? I'll be depressed if my gold trade doesn't end up hitting my take profit today. All right, momentum is slowing down and news seems in favor. In favor. So momentum of the longs slowed down. I don't think there was ever momentum in the longs. I mean, right here, there's a little bit of momentum right here. Momentum has been slowed down. Momentum actually gained momentum to the down, and then we actually gained it back up. I think if we were going to melt, we would have melted right here. And then you say momentum is slowing down and news seems in favor. News seems in favor of sells. Why is that? I think the only people hopping into sells right now are the people that feel like they're missing out on longs because it's going upwards. Look at the JPYX. Yen looks like it's falling. The yen index looks like it needs to go bearish. It's coming off of a bearish daily. It's a momentum candlestick to the downside. So therefore, that's telling us that the yen is weaker than what we currently It's getting weaker and weaker and weaker. So therefore, GJ should get stronger, stronger, and stronger. Is anything, if anything, the shortest term sell not worth it? Exactly, it's just not worth it. All right, I think we're gonna hop into GJ buys. The thing is, if we hop into GJ buys right now, we're gonna have to hold the 40 pip stop loss, 50 pip stop loss. What does that mean? That means that whenever momentum comes, we should be able to take profit. But if we do go through a drawdown, it might be a little bit slow and rough. But it's totally fine. I think I like this 1-on-1 risk reward ratio here. I think before we hit the bottom, we hit the top. When should I execute? When should I execute? When should I execute? All right, so this is 51 pips. 9-1. 450. That's what we're at. All right. I'm going to leave my gold trade running, so we're actually in a gold trade as well. Hallelujah. What do I do here? Boom. GJ. You dead? What's a stop loss for 50 pips? Maybe like a 3 lot. And we click stop loss. Now we move it. No, I actually don't know what to do. I don't know how to do this. Come on. Don't do that. Oh, there's a stop loss. For a 3 lot, right? Am I tripping or what? Risk? I don't know what the fuck that is. Come on. Cat. All right. Stop loss. Beautiful.
I got a new rule. If you ain't ever posted a rapper when he was alive, you can't post about him after he get hit. It's simple, it's the principle. On any tempo, I'm invincible. Don't even rap, I just vent to you. I'd rather that than an interview. Most days, fuck them all like I'm going through a whole phase. Young niggas shoot out the whip like road rage. I pray all of my dogs stay so paid, and the only thing to kill them is old age. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time,
I'm taking a 50 pip stop loss long on GJ very soon. I'm gonna execute any second. I'm executing. 470 is the stop loss. Should have executed before. 470 and then 9. We're just gonna go 450, 950. 450, 950. I think this is correct. 470. Yeah, that's correct. Then we're just gonna go 950. This is our actual trades.
yeah. Styling no. Listen, but got pictures with me smiling no. All the things you need, you still want problems though. All the things I know, I still been silent though. Yeah. Used to be at Silver City Indigo. Used to be in lunchroom playing dominoes. I don't wanna have to go to funerals. I gotta start sleeping at the studio. I don't have no time to be no Romeo. All the love I need is at the rodeo. All the love I need is here at OVO. Yeah. All the girls I know are there with Ian Throw. Who knows where I end up when that shit gets old? Maybe it never gets old and that's just how it goes. Last table left in Carbone, calling plays on a rotary phone. I take a glass of Dominah to go with me home. Might move our annual shit to the dome. I need 40,000 people to see what I'm on. Yeah. Ducked a lot of spiteful moves. I was an angry youth while I was writing views. Saw a side of myself that I just never knew. I probably self-destruct if I ever lose, but I never do. Steady doing double shifts. One to do the beating, I open up like a double click. More blessings because I'm generous. 30-seater plane for like 10 of us. Remember when I bought Sealy the fake Chanel wallet? She knew that shit was a fraud but never told me about it. Nowadays when we catching up, we just laugh about it. Can't describe what my life is like when she asks about it.
What to do, brother? Am I on buys on gold? Yes, sir. I'm swinging buys on gold. I've been in buys on gold since yesterday, and I am up about $1,400. You see down here. See my shadows, broken halos, broken wings. All right.
get to me, no one's done it successfully. 7 a.m. in Germany, can't believe that they heard of me. Last verse that I gotta do is always like surgery. Always trying to let go of anything that'll burden me. That's the reason you can feel the tension and the urgency. Last chance I get to make sure that you take it personally. Take this shit to heart, it's always executed perfectly. If we do a song, it's like taking my kids to work with me. You overnight celebrity, you one day star. Swear I told you that I'm in this bitch for eternity. I am a reflection of all of your insecurities. Behind closed doors.
Alright, sorry for that. I was setting up my GJ trade. I have a very strong feeling GJ will rally with the longs. I have a strong feeling gold is also going to rally with the longs. I don't mind putting myself in a 1% trade on both of these. I mean, I'm already in gold. We're aiming for the mother load on gold. On gold, we're already up 1.4%, but we're going for, like I said, 2546. We're going for as much as it gives, boys. All-time highs on gold is right there. Whenever we break all-time highs, I'm feeling like we're going to just destroy those levels of resistance, and we're just going to fly. So therefore, I want to be in it. Give me 1 second, boys. To get a water bottle. You feel like the challenge is going to be... There was too many people complaining. There's too many people complaining. I'm just kidding. There wasn't too many people there, but there was people complaining saying, hey, when are we actually going to pass this challenge? Like, fuck you, bro. My challenge is alive. Yours is dead. You know? So when is your challenge going to fucking actually be alive to actually trade it? How about that? Just kidding. That's so fucked up. Dude, I feel like GJ's gonna hit TP before I even see gold hit my TP. Look at this, Slick. We still in gold from yesterday, boys. We in 140 plus pips, or I don't know what you guys want to call it, but look, I'm up $1,400. You see it on the bottom right? On gold. Gold is... That's my gold entry right there. I took... Yeah. Sheesher. It's definitely a sheesher. I've been popping pillies, man. I feel like a rock star. Alright, I also realized it after long that surviving is more important than succeeding. 100%. They come hand in hand, but like the more you put yourself in survivor mode, the more you will find opportunities to succeed. You can't chase success in trading. And what does that mean? You don't take profit. You don't chase profits in trading. You put yourself in correct positions and you let them come to you, followed by discipline and followed by correct risk management. If you follow correct discipline and risk management, you put yourselves in the correct positions, you're gonna win, 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 lose, lose, win, 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 lose, lose, win, win, lose, win, lose, win, lose, win, win, lose. Point is, there's a lot of losses, but point is, there's a lot of wins as well. And at the end of the day, it's about making sure that you can, handle losses, because losses are normal. Losses are part of the game. You are supposed to lose in trading. It is a part of the game. So therefore, don't get upset when you lose. Imagine playing a basketball game and the whole team getting upset and losing and start shooting from half court just because they got scored on a point. It's like who the fuck? Obviously, you're not supposed to get scored on in basketball, but it happens. It's gonna happen. It's inevitable. It's clearly a part of the game. Getting scored on in basketball is a part of the game, the same way that losing in trading is a part of the game. It's like you just, it's impossible to not get scored on. It's impossible to not lose. The thing is minimizing the times you get scored on and scoring more times than you get scored on. Perfect analogy, eh? I'm gonna laugh my ass off if gold starts melting and my GJ starts flying on, like the profits that they show just completely reverse and flip. I'm like, oh my god.
Run away from me, baby. Run away. Gonna get crazy. I can't see, just run away. Baby, I got a plan. Run away as fast as you can. 24/7, 365. Pussy stays on my mind. I did it. Alright, I admit it. Now pick your next move. You can leave or live with it. It could buy train with that motherfucking top off.
Alright.
Split and go where? Back to where
We are still around break even. I have a 50 pip stop loss here. 50 pips giving it room for news. I mean, I'm hoping news brings me to my take profit, to be honest. Boys, you guys got to make sure that you guys are looking at the monthly and the weekly. We have a monthly candlestick closing coming up and a weekly candlestick closing coming up. This is the last day of the month, last day of the week. So therefore, there should be a lot of movement with the news that is coming up at 8:30 in about 45 minutes. Like, there should be a good amount of movement, and if not, then we're just going to be stuck in this range in the next candlestick opening, which is on Sunday or Monday, whatever. That thing's going to be a massive beast.
And I know it did damage, 'cause the look in your eyes is killing me. I guess you knew an advantage, 'cause you could blame me for everything. And I don't know how I'ma manage if one day you just up and leave. And I always find something wrong. You've been putting up with my shit just way too long. I'm so gifted at finding what I don't like the most. So I think it's time for us to have a toast. Let's have a toast for the douchebags. Let's have a toast for the assholes. Let's have a toast for the scumbags. Every one of them that I know. Let's have a toast for the jerk-offs that'll never take work off. Baby, I got a plan. Run away fast as you can.
All right, we have GJ finally moving. Bullish candlestick, continuation candlestick, and we're moving. We just need some volume. Where you at? Gold, slowly but surely moving also. Take profit 2, and that's at 192. All right, my bad for the silent boys. All right, DXY should keep pushing higher, so sells probability high. On what? On gold? I mean, DXY was pushing yesterday, and it didn't really affect gold, so I'm just worried about. I'm gonna just focus on, I guess, the chart itself instead of its indices. This does look like it's gonna go short now pretty soon, but I don't know. I'm just gonna hold it. Might as well. When it comes to this GJ long, we are in profits. Damn, dude, I hate this little fucking playlist. Oh, I like the song.
My baby born a Birkin. She's been telling me all night long. Gasoline and groceries. The list goes on and on. It's 9 to 5 ain't work. Why the hell do I work so?
All right, let's go look at gold. Gold is not going up yet. GJ, anybody inside of this GJ trade with me, chat? One's in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ. Two's in the chat if you guys are bearish on GJ. And if you guys are in this gold with, if you're in this trade with me, saying me. I know it looks like TP is a long way to go, but trust me, with news coming in, honestly, it's not. It is not.
I ain't changing for a check. Tell my mind I ain't forget. Woke up drunk at 10 a.m. We gon' do this shit again. Tell your girl to bring a friend.
Xander's in this GJ trade.
Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round. We need plenty more. Two stepping on the table. She don't need.
Everybody's at the bar getting tipsy.
Good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jay Dale's got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. It comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. When it's last call and they kick us out the door. It's getting kinda late, but the ladies want some more. Oh my, good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jay Dale's got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar.
All right, GJ. All right, so we're about 5 minutes out to having an hourly candlestick closure. If we look at the closely at the hourly candlestick that we have right now, I mean, it's closing above resistance. I know for all you freaking breakout traders, you're like, oh, we're closing above the candlestick wick, therefore we should take a look. Yeah, I mean, I don't know about that, but at least it's better than a bearish confirmation, right? It does look like we're closing above resistance and above the wicks. Next candlestick might have a little bit of a retracement. I don't know. Small time movement is not going to get us to take profit. It's actually going to put us in profit for a little bit, then draw down for a little bit. All this small time, this is what I call small time movement. All those little candlesticks that go up and down. What we need is just direction and momentum, and that's only going to probably come with New York Open, or maybe with the news that comes up, or maybe with Stock Exchange Open, or maybe, goddamn, who knows? There's a bomb attack somewhere, and just, I don't know, just chain effects. We fucking fly. we are currently in GJ Longs. We are running it up on GJ Longs, as well as this is gold, my gold entry from yesterday. We're up about $1,400 on gold, and then GJ we just entered, and we're just running it up right now as we go. Take profit on the way. Oh my good lord. Someone pour me. Oh, wait, where the fuck is that song again? Wasn't even there. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey.
No, that's a coworker.
I need some help. You ain't gonna. Pushing amazingly on GJ. We're about to get in 4 minutes the hourly candlestick closure, which should be able to keep on pushing us bullish. I'm in this gold trade, man. I'm up more than 1%. I'm thinking, should I close it? Probably not. Maybe a stop loss at break even, or maybe not. But we're pushing. That's all that matters. Pushing. Close would be wise. It's only a 1%er. I'll give up my 1% and put it at break even. But GJ is flying like one's business. Hey man, I knew we had to hop in. Gold is also going. Oh wait, never mind.
I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
All right, boys. So currently in gold longs, gold. I mean, it's baiting people that it wants to sell. It wants to start retracing. I just have to trust the daily time frame and the higher time frames that, man, we are bullish as a business. And then GJ's also doing his ripple fib that has been doing since Monday, boys. I don't emphasize enough, if you guys have traded last week and this week and you guys have an account that's only down very little bit, you're at break even, or you've made profit within these last 2 weeks, applaud yourself, brothers. sisters, it's been a very, very, very brutal trading week this week and last week. This week's been even especially brutal. So if you guys have been able to survive with your guys' accounts, or at least stay in break even, man, you guys should really applaud yourselves. It means that you guys are gaining discipline, gaining experience enough to know when to actually put your chips in the market and when it's actually just going to be, you know, ranging and chopping. And it means you've done something good, right? I identified very quickly around Tuesday, Wednesday that this was going to probably be like this till the end of the week. I'm not sure if you recall that, Xander. I was like, yo, man, I've been inside one of these Ripple fibs where they just go for weeks, and you think it's ready, and then it just accumulates itself, and then it goes, and like, there's a chance that this comes all the way back down, and then it literally just keeps on doing this till next week. 100%. That's a possibility. Let's not speak that into existence, but it is a possibility. New hourly candlestick opening just happened right now, boys, across the board. Also, when you guys are trading today, specifically because it's Friday, you guys want to be looking at your weekly candlestick. Make sure you're paying attention to the weekly candlestick. Try anticipating where it's going to close. We're anticipating, you know, so we see our weekly candlestick and we're like, all right, it's near this resistance. Possibly we're going to close above the resistance, or we're going to close as a bearish candlestick, and we're going to see a huge momentum shift right now. Who knows? But also we have a monthly candlestick closure. So now if we look at the monthly candlestick was very, very, very bearish, and out of nowhere we had a huge retracement to the top side. Could we wick fill before? Could we wick fill with the next monthly candlestick? I am not sure. Monthly candlestick does not, I don't like how it looks for buys. Monthly candlestick is giving me sell vibes, to be honest. But we're here in buys, so damn, dude, why do both pairs give me vibes that they look like they're gonna retrace? Like, you just fly. Fly! They not like us. 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 I'm gonna pop a shuggy. Pop a little shuggy. Little sugar. See it? Now we got the shuggy. Now we're gonna feel the blood flowing through our veins. Arnold, you there, brother? Just watching gold. I opened up my window. Why is there people at the pool? It is literally 8:04 in the morning. I gotta not talk too loud because they're gonna hear me talking about them. Oh yeah, I love how it's setting up. That 4-hour candlestick is setting up for a dude. We should change our take profit from 2546 all the way to 2565. I'm feeling a 2565. Chat, best take profit. Whoever calls the most tip of the tip take profit to the point, they win something. I don't know what they're gonna win, but you'll win something. Who could call where this thing explodes to? Is it gonna explode to 45? Is it gonna explode to 55? Is it gonna explode to 65, 75, 80? I'm thinking 65. Whoever gets the closest wins. A breakout to the downside. You asshole. It does look, this is bearish, continuation bearish. Oh my god. Gold, do not. Because there's two things that we're gonna run.
Dreams of living life like rappers do. Bump that new E40 at the school.
Well, he made bad blood with some boys out on no island. Alright, boys. 24 minutes. It's gonna come sooner than later. We have red folder news coming. So this is for today. Today's Canadian dollar. We got GDP month to month. And then we got core PCE price index month to month. I don't know what that is, what PCE stands for. I actually don't know. Honestly, I don't know what half these things on the red folder news stand for or mean, or I don't know how to read them. So I'm not gonna lie to you and just be like, oh, I know what this means. I don't know what the fuck it means. I know how to fucking trade though. Read candlesticks. That's what I do. I don't read fucking papers. I didn't go to college to learn how to read papers to freaking figure out where the market's moving. That's why I'm a fucking candlestick reader. I read charts for a fucking goddamn living. Fuck the news. Buy the hype, sell the news. Buy the hype, sell the news. What does that mean? We bought it. There was hype. We bought it. News hits. Explodes price. Once we're at take profit because of the news, we will sell. Hey Peso, did you see Donvo's lately? He has blown 95% of the MAM account balance. That is no bueno. No bueno. So what? He had a mother account. A MAM account is a mother account, meaning that imagine I put $100,000 in an account, and then you guys, you know, Xander puts in $100, Roshan puts in $1,000, Slick puts in $10,000, and we have a pool, and I have the mother account. So therefore, if I make 10%, you guys make 10% of whatever you put in. You guys make, you know, so you'll make Xander $10. This guy, whoever put in $1,000 will make $100. You know, it's like a mother account. Everybody gets. But that guy sucks at trading, so I don't know who the fuck would ever do that shit, especially with the way that he trades. Even Roger Banks is really. That's. I mean, I've actually. It happens in trading. I'm not gonna say you don't blow accounts in trading, bro. You blow accounts in trading, but the way he blows accounts, which I've already seen 3 times, man, that boy has blown about $500,000 in front of my face. $500,000. One of them was gold was rallying, and he went for a gold sell. And then it rallied, and then he went for another gold sell, and then half of his account was gone where it started rallying again, and he was like, you know what, I'm going all in on the sell, it's gonna sell, and then it just kept on rallying. Like, I've always told you guys, that boy does not know. The only reason Donvo makes money trading and he gets to make is that he's a really good content creator. I've told you guys that. That's the respect I have about him. He really knows how to market himself, and he's really good at making goddamn videos. So therefore, everything he does is very easily presentable. You have other people that are very good at trading and don't have the abilities to be able to, you know, show you amazing videos and engage you with what you're seeing. The boy did it. Now, once he has money, he obviously, I mean, dude, the dude definitely has about $1 million in his bank account, maybe even a little bit more, right? So therefore, he has the ability to, what if he makes $10,000 on a trade, that means he made 0.1%. 0.1%. Am I not mistaken? Then because then 1% would be 100. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So it's like, even if he pulls out $10,000 from his asshole, it's like, bro, you're talking about, you know, like, I pulled out $10,000 in payouts, and I ain't even close to $1 million. I ain't even close to $500,000. You know, I ain't even close to $250,000. So it's just, I've never been impressed by the profits he's able to produce. I mean, all that is that he made a whole bunch of money fucking selling courses, selling channels, and then eventually he was like, you know what, I made all this money, might as well learn how to trade with it. And then yeah, you get lucky sometimes. I don't fucking know. Dude's ass at trading. What he teaches is not tradable. That's funny that Raj is trash either. Just kidding. So that was a joke. Raj is probably better than whatever.
They kind of just have to call themselves theirs again. Know that no matter what, they can always go back to who they were.
Yeah, that's a problem. He risks way too much. Like, we actually risk 1%. Like if this was Don Vo's trade, he would have probably closed, right? He would have risked 1%, which 1% for him should be, I don't know, probably like, what's 1% of a million? 10,000. He should be able to risk like $10,000. He'll be like, all right, we're gonna risk $10,000 in this 50 pips, and then I don't know where he's gonna go and profit $2,000, and he's like, oh, we're closing. By the way, whoever's following Peso in challenge, if he passes, all pay the fee. Wait, what? If he passes, all pay the fee. If I pass, when I pass, not if I pass, when I pass this challenge, and then when I make money on the challenge. I mean, I already know who the money. I mean, it's gonna be competition wise. We're gonna figure out some sort of raffle or some sort of like way to like, and I'm gonna spread it. Like, imagine we cash out $2,000 on the first payout. I don't know. I think if I had $2,000 right now for the first payout, my initial reaction would be, all right, $500 is gonna go to somebody who's gonna edit a whole bunch of videos of the live stream for me. That's $500 going to the live stream. Another 500, and then the rest 555. I think we do like every single day of the week we do a $200 giveaway for, and then that would be $1,000, and then we're left with $500, and then with the last $500 I will buy like 3 challenges to 3 random people, and like that's what I would think of doing. So I'm thinking if I had 2,000, and what I typically go for on my payouts are about 1 to 3% bi-weekly, so that's about in a month 6%, 5%. I don't really push for too much. I just push for profit and I cash it out. So realistically, that's what we could be looking at. That's when my blow up is gonna happen. I'm telling you, I'm gonna make fucking money, and I'm gonna just give it to you, and I'm gonna show you guys that I don't know. I haven't seen that happen before. I mean, I've seen a lot of good giveaways before, but I've never seen the profit get made on screen. Because the profit they be giving away is course money profit, right? We sold fucking 10 courses today. We made $5,000. Let's do a $50 giveaway. Comment on my fucking post. Like, fuck that shit, bro. Let's fucking do a real giveaway, Mr. Beast style. They call me the Mr. Beast of YouTube. Y'all don't see my fucking thumbnail. I've had so many people tell me I look like Mr. Beast. I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about? Certified lover boy, certified pedophile. I'm just kidding. Poor Mr. Beast. He's under all that fucking scrutiny. Forex Beast. Are you late, Anus? You tell me. Anus? Anas? Anas? You tell me. Look at the. Oh, you tell me. I'll show you my. Oh, you tell me, Anas. Look at this. Look at the bottom right hand side corner. You tell me if you late. You tell me. W song or L song? I need to know what the chat thinks. Does anybody have any song requests that they want me to put? Now's your time to speak. They hate us because they ain't us. Anas. Anas ain't. I don't fuck. You're late. No, you shouldn't. You should not enter. No bueno. Dude, Roshan Paul, was that? What do you want me to think? The dude has a black hole as his profile picture. Fucking, I don't fucking know. That's. And we moving. Gold. Magic Coldplay. How are you, Sagar? Chat, if you guys have not liked up the stream yet, make sure you guys like up the stream. It helps the channel grow. It helps the algorithm push our channel to more viewers. More viewers means more streams. More streams means more money to be made, which means more money for the channel. Drop a like button, hit the subscribe as well. USDJPY. That's what I wanted. I want somebody to ask me to break down some sort of chart for them. You see sells, I see buys. I know, I mean, it's a short-term sell, but the short-term sell is happening, right? We're at this level of resistance. Same way we got to this level of resistance on GJ right here. Dot, dot, dot. And I bought at this resistance is the same way I feel like people need to react to that UJ right there. USDJPY. Now, I understand it's coming off of this bearish price action right here, but this is no longer, we're not looking at anything of that. That is out the picture. What we're looking at is double bottoms being formed, all right? Bullish, bearish, all right? Maybe we need to break this level of support. No, we don't, because we're slowly ascending, right? So I see all these levels of ascending support way much stronger than this level of resistance. What I would do is honestly kind of the same setup that I did on GJ. It's one of those take a buy at resistance, have a stop loss, you know, beneath the 8 or beneath the 50 and write it out. Now it's going to take a while for that to play out. I wouldn't even trade at UJ right now. Gold explode for me, please, guys. We have news coming so soon. News coming so soon. I'm currently in gold longs. I'm up 1,500 off of one lot on gold. Entry was fucking sniper. You can see the entry right here, and we are pushing, as well as GJ longs. We're in some GJ longs right now. We're not doing too well. We're not doing too bad. I mean, we're doing good, right? I chose a very hefty take profit, very hefty stop loss, because I'm trying to catch the whole market move, right? I don't care about a little impulse to the top side, just like I don't care about a little impulse to the downside. I don't care if I go through a little bit of drawdown. I just know that the end of the market move is to the top. I feel like we need to break all these little resistance levels, and that's what I'm targeting for. And momentum is coming to the market within, you know, less than 15 minutes, 13 minutes, 12 minutes, and we're going to have 2 red folder news, really determine what the fuck is going to happen. More logic, more power, more Cuba Libre, more Libre. My dog is so sad every morning because he wants to go to the park. Anus. You're making me give you a hard decision. Oh, thank God gold is going. Gold, go. You guys may ask where my take profit on gold is. High key, I'm waiting for the pump to come, because I feel like if it pumps, it's really going to pump. So my take profit's all the way up there. The Ripple fib is, dude, the Ripple fib has to play out on this gold, or it has to play out on GJ. One of those Ripple fibs are playing out. What is a Ripple fib for the 28 people watching? Just in case you guys is first time here, a Ripple fib is whenever you have one level of resistance being formed, but you have ascending levels of support forming towards that level of resistance, kind of like this. And then it, boom, breaks out to the top side. So that same exact candlestick formation we actually have in the higher time frame right here on GJ. We've been having this formation for a while. Man, we could even be stuck in it until next week. Hopefully not. We have a monthly candlestick closure right now, which is very important. You guys need to go to your monthly candlesticks and weekly candlesticks and pay attention to them. Try to anticipate where it's going to open, where the next one's going to open, and where this one's going to close. Monthly candlestick, boys. Open up your monthly candlestick. You know, paint a picture with it. A lot of people don't open up the monthly candlestick. It's very important. Even if you're scalping, it's very important. Oh my God, that's hilarious. Roger's shitting on Donvo. 72 hours? It took him 72 hours for Donvo to blow the account? That is crazy. Yes, and people are pissed because people place shit ton of money in it. That's a lot of money. I mean, dude, how could you be pissed? If you put money in it, it means that you watch him. I don't even watch him, and I know exactly how he trades, which is trash, and I've made it very clear that it's trash. But what's hilarious is that I've heard of him blowing his account from multiple people on live stream, and then he just gets off and deletes the live stream. So I guess maybe a lot of people don't watch live streams and they just fucking go on off Instagram. So yeah, maybe there is a way to get caught in it. I mean, I see a kid that looks like a Chinese. I mean, the kid looks like he's supposed to be still working at McDonald's. I'm not gonna lie to you, right? He looks pimped out now. He reminds me of Ray. Y'all know Ray from Kai Cenat? Like he looked like he just one of them dudes, right? And then he like bossed himself up. So like, you know, he does kind of like sell the image of like, you know what, he maybe got something going on in that little Chinese brain of his, or wherever the fuck he's from. But I know I was right about him. It takes a real trader to know what's profitable and what's not profitable. You fucking closing out profits like that and risking that much, you just know it's not. Like, I've been in it long enough to know that it's not how you make money. It's kind of like, do we got any big time sports gamblers in here? When I say sports gamblers, I mean that you're looking at the odds even when you ain't betting. I'm talking about you bet late night table tennis. If you a table tennis better, then you a goddamn sports gambler. If you ain't never bet on table tennis or on the next point on a tennis match or something like that, then you ain't a gambler. All right. So do we have any gamblers in here? Do we have any big time gamblers in here? Nobody. Chat. Got 26 people in here. Nobody's a big time gambler. All right, fuck it. For those who understand how odds work, right? It's like imagine being the guy. There's no guy in sports betting. Not even sports betting is more of a rookie sport, right? It's more of a rookie thing to do, right? If you know you're a rookie, you're gonna be sports betting. You got into more professional of what it is, probability. You go to trading. It doesn't matter. A degenerate's a degenerate. It doesn't matter how much you risk. All right, so imagine somebody who's betting $600 to win 100 every time he bets, and he's like, "Bro, I found the perfect profitable strategy." And you're like, "What?" And he goes, "I'm just gonna bet on the fucking major favorites and go all in on them." It's like, all right, you got to win 7 of those in a row to even make $100. Compared to if you lose one, you've lost everything. It just doesn't make sense. The probabilities are not there.
All right, man. I'm ready when y'all are. This is your song, Mike.
I'm surprised we don't got no big time gamblers in here, or they're scared to say it. We got no table tennis betters. 4 in the morning table tennis bet. Man, I've learned to not be a degenerate when it comes to sports gambling, but I know everything about sports gambling. Everything. I'm not good at it, but I know about it.
Hey driver, pull on over. I'm in a fight with God. This Carolina show seems the place.
The reason I started sports betting, Xander, was just due to the fact that I was a big time sports person. I watch baseball, I watch basketball, I watch football, and then yeah, it's just to put a little bit of money behind it and make it even more entertaining. All right, so we're seeing gold go through a little bit of a rally, boys. 5 minutes till we have red folder news hit, and up to the moment, I am loving this way it's looking.
With more than just their cars, with their bottle and their drugs and their Bibles in their heart. So take me down the road, it's a little bit.
That's crazy. Does anybody have any idea on how big Don Vo's the MAM account was? Does he have anything on his profile? Does he have anything on like Don Vo? Day 2 of the resin class. Oh no, that's Don Resin. It's not Don Vo. Don Vo. It's Don Vo. There's absolutely nothing of trading on his profile. And there's absolutely nothing of trading on his story.
Hey driver, I'm so tired of the ways of this whole world. Just drive until the tires melt. We'll come back.
This guy literally reminds me of Ray from Kai Cenat. Like from Kai Cenat stream, that boy Ray. God did. God did.
To a place they still put sugar in their iced tea, where the women are fine and the love is fair. Yeah, driver, you can drop me off anywhere. Yeah, driver, you can drop me off anywhere. Michael Trotter, yeah,
Oh, 1.3 million. How much money was his?
So take me down a road that's a little bit windy, to a place they still put sugar in their iced tea, where the women are fine and the love is fair. Yeah, driver, you can drop me off anywhere. Yeah, driver, you can drop me off anywhere. Yeah, driver, you can drop me off anywhere. Yeah, driver, you can drop me off anywhere.
Dude, hopefully he got to pocket some of that money. Like, Jesus Christ. Like, what the fuck was your plan? To fucking just take everybody's money and then just try to make them profit? Like, if you're some sort of Gandhi in trading?
18 years old, full of hate. They shit me off.
Dude tried playing God.
They said, boy, you're gonna fight a war. You don't even know what you're fighting.
Relax, we're gonna go to the park soon. I'm trading. I need to make some money for you so you can eat all your dog food. Hey, relax. Relax. It's not your time yet. You smell like Doritos with your Dorito paws. With your Dorito paws. Fine. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, Nico. Well, money was good. Talk to me, chat. What it do, brother? Channel is growing. I mean, we're doing bad. We're not doing too well. We're in the gutter, but that's because I'm not trading London session. We're in the gutter, and it's clearly because we cannot find rhythm. We're supposed to be getting 100+ viewers per stream, minimum. But it's totally fine. I enjoy the people that join the stream right now. With my few pals that I got here, it's more of a constant. You know, I recall whenever we used to have like 140, 130, 150. Things might get a little bit crazy. We just got a lot of hate going on, as well as a lot of random traders with a lot of. Remember Blue? Remember we got just a whole bunch of beginners doing a whole bunch of crazy shit, promising that they're gonna fucking be consistent, and then just distracting, doing a whole bunch of distractions. Oh, news! Look at that! Oh my God, gold, GJ. I don't know what to do right now. This is probably gonna fucking freeze my computer.
You ever get tired? Sing songs like all your pain is just another fucking sing along.
Oh, all right, my computer froze. I knew my computer was gonna freeze. All right, as long as gold's not melting out on us and GJ's flying, I think we should be good. Hopefully, don't turn around. What's gonna happen? It might take profit. Do something. Oh, it's turning around. I knew it. Gold, do something. DJ. Damn, we're 30 pips in profit.
The sun's gonna rise tomorrow, somewhere on the east side of sorrow. Don't give it a reason to follow. Let it be, then let it go. Let it be. Then let
I honestly prefer to just look at this right now. These two profit things right here. These candlesticks are pretty goddamn small. Can gold fly? That was the weakest red folder news on a Friday that I've ever seen. Chat.
You've been stabbed in the back and the rest of your body. Won't you tell me where you bleed?
Fly gold?
If you need a tourniquet or if you want to turn and quit, know that I'll be by your side. Glad you hold
Fly
something
DJ?
you can't control it.
Just give me my money.
Bandage up your body and your bones and your
Boys, I'm starting a MAM account. Everybody send me all your life savings. I will handle it with ease. I got you. I got you. No, gold. Piece of shit. If you want to turn to quit, if you want to turn to quit.
When you finally feel the blood you spill into everybody else, I turn a kid.
Sanda's like, I got 10 on it.
Pull you in and hold you tight, love you through the hard nights, bring a kind ass in town. You've been playing your guitar from arenas to the bar since you were old enough to rhyme a word.
Dude, that was the wackest red folder news I've ever fucking like. I thought we were gonna go through it at one point. We were gonna see the most, but up to the moment, that was just pretty depressing. It's like a fucking baby for it.
I know all the days that some days thought were you laughing last evening, something I dreamed of. Bandage up your body and your bones and your band-aids too. Take care of
All right, listen to this, boys.
We need to talk about this. Controller FX, or better known as Donvo, just blew all his investors' capital with his MAM account. It's all gone. He lost exactly 4,590 pips in only a matter of 4 hours.
4,490 pips in a matter of 4 hours. That's 1,000 pips the hour. What?
It's trading and going on full tilt and lost everything yesterday on August 29th, 2024, which honestly is not a good look for him. Now, for those of you who do not know who Donvo is, he is a popular YouTube streamer in the trading community. In July, Don launched a MAM account on a popular broker called Blueberry Markets, where investors can deposit a minimum of $5,000 in.
Minimum of 5K? Oh boy, the minimum was $5,000. That's the Blueberry Markets or his MAM account. Hopefully that's the freaking the MAM account. I mean, that's the Blueberry Market only. Oh my god. Jeez.
MAM works is essentially Don will trade for you on your account, which is linked to his account, so every trade he takes will be directly taken on your account. For the months of July to the beginning of August, the MAM account performed well, amassing an astounding 85% profit in a span of 1.5 months, which, don't get me wrong,
Oh, that's good though.
also alarming as well. Anyone who's been trading for a while knows that making 85% profit in less than 2 months is complete gambling and is not sustainable in the long term, especially when you're trading investors' money.
Yo, gold.
On Thursday, August 29, 2024, Donvo took multiple losses, which was not common, given the fact that he had a great month already with the MAM account, but this was the beginning of the downward spiral. He then proceeded to revenge trade, taking hundreds of trades trying to make back the profits he had lost, which only made them. He wasn't deeper. Did he lose all the profits he made within the 2 months? He proceeded to lose everything. I mean everything. All investors' capital, all gone. God knows how much was in there, but some of the investors were in his Discord community grieving their losses and not fully accepting what happened. Some of them had as much as $30,000 all the way up to $120,000 invested into the man. His followers and community members are shocked and equally disappointed and want some closure as to what happened. As of the posting of this video, Donvo has chosen to remain silent and not address anything to anyone, which only makes the situation worse and shows a complete lack of maturity and no sense of accountability for what happened. Effectively, legal action will be taken against him for losing people's hard-earned money. If you've been affected by this situation,
Well, I don't know if legal action's gonna work, buddy. The only guy who has a chance at getting that guy is the guy who invested 120 grand. Hopefully he's a millionaire, a multi-millionaire who's able to actually have connections with lawyers and actually do something. But pretty sure he already knew how to protect himself. Dude, are you serious? I don't want to lose my gold. Like, I care about gold more than GJ, to be honest. I don't know why. The gold just looks so juicy. I'm up still more than $1,000. More than 1%. Boys, that guy's crazy. How the fuck you? I mean, 80% in 2 months. It's not even too good. Like, what is it that we have to make to pass the challenge? 10%. Damn, he went aggressive as balls. Damn, he went aggressive as balls. I mean, I need to reevaluate what I think about that situation. That's crazy. Oof.
By the case of more realer than y'all. Sleep with the K, I'm more realer than y'all. A regular day, I'm more chiller than y'all. Diamonds on freeze, ain't gon' never thaw out. Niggas on shit ain't gon' never be found. Counting it up and I'm losing the count. Fuck all this testing, this act on my down. Trapping it up with a whole 100 round. Sacking it up, ain't no fucking around. We get that growth, ain't no fucking around. Ice overload, this ain't regular ice. Hop on a private, ain't regular flights. Smash on your hoe, this is everyday life. I flip the safe up from cooking the white. Fall out the Pyrex, a cake in the bowl. Used to the fame, y'all ain't taking my soul. Came in the game, I was hot as a stove. Pouring Selena, trying to let it go. Rockin' Celine from my head to a toe. Throw on her back in the summer, she cold. BB's gon' light up and glisten, they glow. Blinding your eyesight, you never gon' see. Came out the 6, that my diamonds gon' flee. I made a meal in the middle of the week. I sell a chick in the middle of the street. When I drop a tape, the murder rate increase. Fuck all that poppin', I stay with some bands. Shawty so yellow, she stay with a tan. Diamonds on me, got some rocks in my hand.
That guy is crazy.
Police gotta stay with the can. I tried to top off a regular race. Shawty on perk, this a drug addict date. I got the torch, I can't give it away. Ain't no remorse, you get hit in the face. Check out the way I be glistening, y'all. Photo Bugatti, you mention me, y'all. Diamonds stay taped in my portfolio. Fill up the safe, I'm more realer than y'all. Fuck my new case, I'm more realer than y'all. Ace by the case, I'm more realer than y'all. Sleep with the K, I'm more realer than y'all. A regular day, I'm more chiller than y'all. Diamonds on freeze, ain't gon' never thaw out. Niggas on shit ain't gon' never be found. Counting it up and I'm losing the count. Fuck all this testing, this act on my down.
Alright, I linked the video to my story that I was just barely watching. If you guys want to watch it yourselves, I got sent it to me by Sagar here. Alright, are you in? Is it too late to enter? It is not too late to enter. I do not know how I feel. I mean, it's not. Oh, well, now it's too late to enter. That's, well, talking about GJ. And then when it comes to gold, yeah, gold's too late to enter. GJ, I mean, it was just barely at break even. I don't know what it's at right now. Let me see. zoom in a little bit. Slightly too late to enter, brother. This is crooked. It's bothering me. Good morning.
Good morning, mi bebé, my little baby.
How are you? Okie dokie. All right, well, I'm here on live. I'm here on live stream, so I will call you when I love you too. Bye. All right, chat. I apologize for that. My mama was calling me. 2538 seems like a good gold take. Man, anything far above this resistance level is a great take profit for gold. We have seen gold rally and rally and rally and keep on breaking all-time highs. With all this consolidation that we have right now, man, if we don't break to the downside, it's just an explosion back up to the upside. We're on the higher probability side of where gold should be moving because it's been bullish. So therefore, yes, could it go short? 100%. That is not out the door yet. But are we in the higher probability trade? 1000%. We are. Longs is the higher probability trade no matter what, even if we go short. And the same thing is for with GJ as well. All right, maybe not. I don't know. Depends. Yen has been pushing, but yen slowly has been retracing. So actually, GJ is bullish as well. Come on, GJ. GJ looks like something needs to freaking. I mean, like I said, boys, there's a chance that this Ripple fib still, like, we end up just ranging for a while, man. There's a very strong chance that we end up ranging. Chat, do we have anybody that is in gold longs as we speak right now, or we got no gold traders? How old are you, Peso? Guess. Guess how old I am. $25. Niggas on shit ain't gon' never be found. Counting it up and I'm losing the count. Fuck all this testing, this act on my down. Trapping it up with a whole 100 rounds. Sacking it up, ain't no fucking around. Rigging that growth, ain't no fucking around. Ice overload, this ain't regular ice. Hop on a private, ain't regular flights. Smash on your hoe, this is everyday life. I flip the safe up from cooking the white. Fall out the Pyrex, a cake in the bowl. Used to the fame, y'all ain't taking my soul. Came in the game, I was hot as a stove. Pouring Selena, trying to let it go. Rockin' Celine from my head to her toe. Fur on her back in the summer, she cold. BB's gon' light up and glisten, they glow. Blinding your eyesight, you never gon' see. Came out the 6, then my diamonds gon' flee. I made a meal in the middle of the week. I sell a chick in the middle of the street. When I drop a tape, the murder rate increase. Fuck all that poppin', I stay with some bands. Shawty so yellow, she stay with a tan. Diamonds on me, got some rocks. All right, in gold long on, wait, in gold long on challenge. Your trade, nice. I got the torch, I can't give it away. Ain't no remorse, you get hit in the face. Oh, what the fuck just happened with gold, dude? What the fuck is that? Oh my god. We could close out all trades right now and be at $1,500 and just call it. I mean, we could be at break even and just call it right here. That's for pussies. I ain't fucking leaving. I said it up, get the heaven a feast. I read it up like Serena with me, like a Venus with me, got the Nina with me. We screaming free bands, this money ain't free. I cook it up on. All right, is anybody currently in GJ longs still with me, or you guys ended up closing out a position? Nice. Nice. Well, there's nothing that's told me that the price looks like it needs to go downwards. I mean, everything's just, it's been the same thing that we've had for the last, 12 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 hours in a row we've been maintaining bullish price action. I'm just gonna, like, there's no reason for us to just be like, oh, out of nowhere we're just going bearish. There's no, besides, like, we're holding. Nothing's changed. So do not panic. We are still alive as hell in this trade. Yo, I want to start too, but how to get on that website or app? So the way you would look at the charts would be through a website called Trading View. This is what everybody uses, like Trading View at the top. Oh, you guys don't see it. You'd go Trading View. You'd open up a chart. Then you'd go to, honestly, you'd go to, where do I go? Trading is hard for those getting into it. Like, where the hell do I go? I already have my fucking currencies back here. You need to go to the Forex markets, Forex. You click on that, and then you click on any one of these. Boom. And then you got to click on full chart, right? You click the full chart, a new page will open, and then you will be presented with a line chart. Then you need to go and change that line chart into a candlestick chart. All that could be done and watched through a YouTube video. The point of what was that I was making was that we use, everybody in the world of trading uses basically Trading View. This is just something that we use to actually analyze and watch the charts. We don't actually execute trades here. We don't actually manage them here. We just watch them and analyze them, etc. Yeah, it's different. The trading platform where you actually execute the trades is a complete different thing, but I think that you just need to learn how to read charts. If you're getting into trading, learn how to use Trading View, learn what these candlesticks mean, and learn, just spend a few YouTube videos. It's going to take a few hours of YouTube videos, and you're going to be like, oh my god, I'm a professional at reading charts. And that's what you need to do. You need to learn how to read charts. I'm not saying you're going to be a professional trader after you learn how to read the charts. My point is that that's the first step into learning how to trade. Learn how to read the candlesticks. Gold short? Motherfuck you. Fuck you. Okay, thanks. What site were you by? Just the name. Were you buy? So the thing is that people in this trading world, right? People in the trading world, we like trading funded capital because it just gives you bigger opportunities for you to make more money. So like I'm trading off of a $100,000 account right now. If you guys see these equities right here, $100,000 account. Now I didn't pay $100,000 for the account. I pay a certain price for that account, and then I make money off the profits. That's the long story short of the situation, but you need to also investigate, right? Write this down. Investigate what is a Forex prop firm. Dig into that, and then you could choose any of the prop firms that you want to be able to actually execute trades off of and learn from there, or you could just invest into or you could deposit your own wad of capital and trade your own capital, right? So maybe you should write this down: prop firms versus your own capital. And then if you YouTube that, you're going to see people give you the and so what is the place that I have? This is called Funding Pips. I'm using Funding Pips as my prop firm. Funding Pips. There's a bunch of prop firms though, hundreds. Maybe not hundreds. What prop firms do I recommend? Man, I always recommend the prop firms that are being given by Prop Firm Match on Instagram. If you guys put in Prop Firm Match. Prop Firm Match. They have a purple logo. They look like this. Prop Firm Match. They have different posts and different little things throughout their profile that they'll show you the top funding programs. They'll tell you why they're the top. They'll tell you which ones have discounts. They'll tell you which ones are the best for certain regions. And they are up to date with everything. If a prop firm is not paying, they will find out within 1-2 days, and they will delist them, take them off their list. They're the official makers of what is a good prop firm for me. Now, obviously, man, I'm not going to say that prop firms are risky, but obviously there is risk in prop firms. It's happened in the past. So therefore, because it's happened in the past, I think it needs to be something that's addressed now and further in the future. My computer froze. No, GJ and gold's gonna go down, bro. This is the worst trading fucking week of life. Only up $1,200 now. Thanks for the info. 100%, boys. If you guys are beginners and you guys have any questions, feel more than happy. I'm more than happy to answer all you guys' questions. It really just takes joining every single day the streams. You know, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you join every single day and pay attention to what I'm saying, you're gonna be a little bit lost at first, but little by little, everything's gonna start clicking. Everything's just gonna start making so much more sense, and you're gonna be like, it's just gonna be day after day. You're gonna be like, oh, that's what. Oh, every single day you're gonna have that epiphany moment. I'm telling you, there's a lot of great value to be given throughout this live stream. So definitely keep on joining the live streams and ask as many questions as you want. And if I send you to YouTube to look for that answer, it's because the answer is going to be established and portrayed to you much better in a YouTube video rather than me just long story shorting it, right? Visually, most of us are all really good I call us YouTube entrepreneurs. What does that mean? We all fucking, how do we fucking fix our tire? YouTube it. How do we do this on our phone? YouTube it. How do we get to this? YouTube it. You know, we've trained ourselves to perfectly do this throughout our lives. Now just use it to actually learn a new skill set. Ask questions, find out the answer to that question. One question will lead you to another. That is how you learn how to trade. All right. 20 times more efficient than asking somebody for a course or paying somebody for a course. It's you asking the questions yourself and then finding the answers to them. And then when more new questions occur, that's where the learning starts happening. When you randomly like, all right, but then if that's a stop loss, how do you calculate your stop loss? Oh, okay. And is there actually ways to become profitable trading this strategy? And you start asking questions, and YouTube is just full of it, just an abundant amount. And it's better that you ask a question and try to find out the answer to that rather than me trying to give you an answer that you're not even looking for. It's going to stick harder. Hopefully that made sense to you guys. But Mr. Serious and Donner Fitz, make sure everybody's also following me on Instagram. If you guys want to message me personally on Instagram to ask any questions in the future, you guys can more gladly do that. I sent my Discord. I sent all my personal links there. You guys can check them all out.
Listen, hard to build and trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the
I still have faith in GJ, or else I would have been out by now. Literally.
Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no.
Chat, what if I told you I'm going to hold both these trades? Wait, did I set a GJ stop loss? I did. I'm going to hold both these trades and both the stop losses of these trades. Boys, I'm going to call it a week here. We're going to hold both these trades completely. My stop loss on both of them is being held, whichever one you guys are following me along with. If you guys want to keep on following along, that is the official trade. I gotta get ready to go to Miami. I'm out. I got a trip this weekend. Call up the Jets. All right, boys. It has been a rough week this week. It has been a rough week last week. Not for me, but personally I just know across the board that it has been a rough week for traders. Xander, I love you so much. Arnold's, if you're still there, I love you so much. Anton, go to La Biblioteca or to Cuba. Paras used to have my love. Paras ain't ever even here anymore. Slick's one of my brothers. Sagar, another one of my brothers. Anas, one of my mothers. Hey, much love to everybody. Much love to everybody, boys. Market's not presenting much here, boys. I wonder what that means. If you guys go to the monthly candlesticks and check it, we're probably going to close around where we're at right now. And is Paras here? I have a feeling Paras is getting demotivated right now with trading. I've seen it before with other people. Happens. He randomly went through a huge epiphany where he was randomly hitting hella trades and he was showing me all his success and it just all ended. Which is fine. It's part of the journey. GJ, keep on going. Yeah, he'll be back and better, and that's what I know, is that he just needs to make sure that he's back, and then eventually he gets his head together, and then he's better. Anton, love you. Xander, love you. Slick, all you guys love you, chat. I'm going to take my dog to the dog park, and then I come back, I'm going to clean the house, then I got to pack my bags, and I'm going to go for I'm going to travel, and this dog is going to fucking, I need to get his energy out before he's going to be in the car for a while. So, chat. Let's keep this aggression up because we're being aggressive right now, right? Next week, I want to maintain the same aggression. Let's maintain the same aggression because the market's going to start playing out for us. All right, chat. Much love. Now I'm calling it. Adore you guys. Peace. Have a great one. Keep us updated on the stories. Yes, sir. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. And if you guys want to go back and forth on anything, just message me. Peace.
Slightly took a left turn there, but very much 6 a.m. Slightly been awake for 24 hours, so please forgive me. More